Hi! So, nandito na kami sa Umeshima Station. This is the last stop ng Chuo Line. So, bale nandito na yung World Expo.
Stairs para iba tayo.
Ayan, welcome! Hello everyone! It's April 15, 2025. So the expo is only on its third day and akala namin it's going to be super crowded today. Pero hindi naman pala. Nakita kasi namin yung mga pictures ng opening day na super crowded talaga. Kaya you were thinking, nako baka ganito rin today. Anyway, pagkagaling mo sa escalator, pag akyat mo dito, malayo pang lalakarin mo hanggang ma-reach mo yung gate ng expo. Mahaba lalakarin mo from there pa lang, mahaba. Hanggang sa marating mo yung entrance dun. Medyo mahabang lakaran to. Okay, fine. Ayan, so this is entrance. Osaka Kansai Japan East Gate. Lamig, grabe. Parang nagkamali na naman yata ako ng suot Kulang ako. Talang muna kami ng CR. Ng restroom. Lawson's Cafe. Eat muna. So, 2. Okay. And so we're buying food here at Lawson. Tapos pwede mong kainin din sa restaurant sa kabila. Hanapan mo nga ako ng medyo konti lang ang carbs. Kung merong ganun. Sarap to.
Yeah, Scotch tape.
That get me a spicy one.
You need to Scotch tape. More spicy.
Ako din.
Spicy ka rin?
Hindi, may cheese. Okay, let's get some hot drinks. I want, palang ako nito.
Sandwich.
Ito na lang. Wala pa tayong food.
Ano ba? Sa coffee mo?
Ito.
Hot ba yan?
May coffee.
This one, Kiman.
Chicken. Tapos ano to? May grabe.
Ito ba, pag nakapasok ka na dun sa entrance, lahat na kayo?
Oo, pwede. Yan, mayroon mga food trucks. Oh my God, look at that. This is made out of wood. Dito pala nakikita ko na yung Philippine Pavilion. Pero ayan, that is the Philippine Pavilion. Siguro unahin ko na muna namin ang punta dyan. Uy, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng natin, ng pavilion natin, guys. Wow! Ayan, up close. Ganyan. Oh, how pretty! Come in, explore, and celebrate. By the way, the theme of our pavilion is nature, culture, and community woven together for a better future. Or simply, woven. Sabi ng isang staff dito, magkakaroon daw ng Filipino restaurant next month dito sa loob ng pavilion. Malaysia Pavilion. Tara, let's go inside. We're at the Malaysian Pavilion. So, ang showcase nila dito yung mga food nila sa Malaysia.
Petronas.
Ah, this is nice. So we're gonna go to this Commons A building. Sa Commons, ano siya, exhibition of different countries. And then there's Sri Lanka, Mauritius.
Anong passport? Ayaw mo bumili ng passport. I like it.
So that is the USA Pavilion. Just beside our pavilion. Pero grabe, super dami ng tao. Ito yung France Pavilion. Yan naman yung Women's Pavilion. Ito naman yung Japan Pavilion. Pasok tayo dito, Dad. We're going to the Qatar Pavilion. And so this is the UAE Pavilion. Yan. Ang laki ng pavilion nila. Wow, look at that. Bongga. Very nice. This is the Canada Pavilion. The line is so long. Next is the Portugal Pavilion. Tara, let's go there. Kami dyan ngayon. Yun yung mga anak ko na unan na. Oh my God. Jabba the Hutt.
I think it's Indonesia yung malayo.
Don't cry, P2. That one's Austria. And then that one's Switzerland. And that is Colombia. Going inside the Switzerland Pavilion. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh bubbles. Let's pop the bubbles. Nice. naman yung Kuwait. Ayan. That is the China Pavilion. Bongga. Bongga. Ang laki-laki ng pavilion ng China. That is Future of Life Pavilion. Ano yan? Is the Hungary Pavilion. Ayan. Ito naman, Oman. Ito naman, Romania. Okay, pasok mo na kami sa Commons Pavilion D. Nigeria. O go, stamp na. There, that's Mongolia. So, magsistamp ako sa Mongolia. There you go. So, this one's from Mongolia. And ito, Burkina Faso. Pakistan. That's Poland, and this is Romania. That is the UK Pavilion. Mongolia Pavilion, but it's not yet open. Trying to look for Egypt because I know it's gonna be interesting. Oh my god, this place is so big. This one's Azerbaijan. Ah, grabe na, pagod.
Yes, I'm walking like that on purpose. Do you think I'm being satire? I'm not satire.
Wow. Okay, that one's Turkey. Okay, so we're going to Turkey. Wow. Nice. That is the Pavilion of Thailand. Grabe. Really bongga. Ah, tignan niyo yung Spain. Ang laki niya, oh. And then this one is the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. There. Oh.
Where's Egypt?
Okay, this one's the Australia Pavilion.
That's so big.
Ito naman, this is the Uzbekistan Pavilion. That is Serbia. Dali, run, go, go, go. Is the Belgium Pavilion.
Brussels.
It's the Pavilion of Ireland. There.
Ayan, sumayaw ka na.
Nakakapagod na, grabe. Plus, we need to go to Namba pa. Anyway, hindi namin napasok lahat ng pavilion dahil kulang talaga ang isang araw dito. Yeah. Basta pagpunta nyo dito, make sure to buy the Expo Passport para makakolek kayo ng stamps from different pavilions. Again, at the Umeshima Station, pauwi na kami, pabalik na kami ng hotel. So, hanggang dito na lang. This is Nell. Bye!